In this video, I'll be showing you a website that will pay you $21 to view just one YouTube video. I'll be reviewing the website and I'll show you whatever I like about the website and what I don't like. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. So there is this website that will pay you up to $21 to watch YouTube videos. I'll be showing you whatever you need to know. So here is what happens. First of all, you need to create an account. And then if you have a YouTube channel, then you can boost your YouTube videos, and then the revenue is shared. That is what happens in the website. So videos will be delivered to your account daily, depending on your level, at least 10 videos which you will have to watch just for 60 seconds, and then you'll be paid in Bitcoin instantly. And there is also free lottery tickets that you will gain for each video that you watch. I'll be showing you how you can earn more lottery tickets. So this website has over 126,000 members. You see, that is a lot, over 126,000 members, and they have over 22,000 videos and have paid $498,000 to members. You can imagine that that is not a small figure. So the website is basically you watching videos and get paid. You watch a video for 60 seconds and you are paid. So you can also advertise your links, your YouTube videos and other affiliate links. You can do that. So let me just go over this again. So you watch a video for 60 seconds, and then you are paid up to $21. In fact, in some instances, if you are an upgraded member, you can be paid so much, to view videos. So without much ado, let's get to the members area. So before we get there, first of all, you need to click on join us to create an account, and then once you create an account, videos will be delivered to your account daily to view and get paid. So this is the members area of the website, and you can see how it looks. Now when you go here you can purchase more ads. These are shares, daily statistics, lottery, and that. So if you look here, you can see that currently I have about 12 videos to watch and make money from. So these are some of the videos. Now let's look at this. I think this is Big Mac. It's one of the greatest YouTube influencers. So let's watch the video. Let's show you how it is for 60 seconds. So let's click there and see how it goes. Just 60 seconds. So you see, that is Big Mac there. Get paid to like internet videos. That is the video he's making. So you see, we'll watch this one just for 60 seconds and then you will be paid, and that is what it is. Now I just want you to see how I will get paid here as I'm watching this video. You see, let me bring the volume here and you see. So that is it, guys. Now our timer is about 43 seconds, and let's see. I just want you to see what happens afterwards. Let me show you something here. So you see here the lottery. Let's check our timer again. Okay, so you see, once it reaches the 60 seconds, it tells you to click here and your account will be credited immediately. So we'll click there and it takes us back to the videos area. where you can choose another video to watch. So, and if you check here now, I have 11 videos, which means that once I finish watching all of them, I will make this thing. Now, how do you get paid $21 to watch one video? I know that is what you have been waiting for. Now, basically, you need to upgrade your account. When you do that, then you will have a lot more, to earn. And how do you upgrade your account? To upgrade your account, it is just very simple. You need to be a premium member. So you come here, premium member, and you can upgrade your account. Is just as little as $39 for 30 days. And you can imagine that is a big investment. I mean, a little investment for big reward. You are investing $40, because it's $39.9, and then you will be earning as much as that. So you see, you get 15% more, and then you will also be getting 135% of revenue share. So that is it, guys. That is the website. And let me show you here super video history. Actually, today I have not had much, but guys, that is the website. I'll be leaving a link below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'm out for now. Bye.